When anxiety rises, the mind doesn't just think. It accelerates, collides, multiplies, until silence feels unreachable. Thoughts flood in, one after another, until the body feels trapped inside their speed. Yet calm does not live far away. It is already within you, waiting for a signal. That signal is your breath. Not shallow gasps, not random inhales, but 3 specific patterns proven to reset your system. Today, you will learn them and feel your body move from agitation to steadiness. But before stepping into the practices themselves, the body needs to know it is safe enough to begin. Preparation is not a performance. It is a gentle invitation. When you prepare well, the breath has a place to land. Let's start there. Place both feet firmly on the ground and feel their weight pressing into the floor. Imagine roots extending downward, steady and quiet. Sit tall, but not rigid, as if a thread is lifting you softly upward. Let your shoulders drop, releasing the weight they have carried all day. Rest your hands in your lap, open if that feels safe, or folded if that feels grounding. Notice your natural breath. No need to change it yet. Just observe the simple fact that air is moving through you. With this small pause, the body begins to trust that a shift is coming. Now that the ground is set, we can begin. The first practice uses imagery and rhythm to calm the nervous system, borrowing its pattern from something greater than us, the ocean. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable and imagine the sea. A wave rising, a wave falling, steady and endless. Inhale through your nose as if taking a gentle sip of air, the first ripple of a tide. Without exhaling, take a second soft sip, filling a little more, the wave climbing higher. Then release through your mouth, long and smooth, the wave retreating back to the ocean. Sip, sip, release. Continue this rhythm. As the air leaves, picture tension flowing out with it. Shoulders soften, muscles unclench. The chest loosens its grip. After a few cycles, the vagus nerve begins to send signals of safety, slowing the heart and shifting the body out of fight or flight. Try 5 to 8 rounds. With each one, imagine the shore inside you being smoothed by the tide. When the rhythm feels natural, allow your breath to return to its own pace. Notice the quieter ground beneath you. The ocean teaches steadiness, but sometimes the mind is not only restless, it is frantic, bouncing from one thought to the next. In those moments, breath alone may not be enough. The body itself must move into rhythm so the mind can follow. Sit with your back supported and your feet steady on the floor. As you inhale, lean your torso slightly forward, counting softly to 5. Feel the gentle length in your spine. As you exhale, lean back into the support of the chair, counting slowly to 7. Forward with the breath in, back with the breath out. Keep the movement small, like a pendulum swinging in quiet balance. Repeat this cycle again and again. Forward stretch, back release. Inhale lengthens, exhale deepens. With each swing, cortisol lowers, heart rate steadies, and the storm of thoughts begins to follow the body's gentle rhythm. Try 6 to 10 cycles. When you return to stillness, notice the difference. Weight heavier in your legs, mind quieter, awareness steadier. The pendulum anchors through rhythm, but sometimes what we need is not movement, not imagery, but touch. A direct signal to the body that we are here, safe, and ready to return. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Feel the warmth of your palms, the contact of skin against fabric. Inhale through the nose and guide the breath downward into the lower hand. Allow the belly to rise, while the chest stays quieter beneath your upper hand. Pause gently, pressing the upper hand with a light reminder to keep the breath low. Then exhale through the mouth, long and steady, letting both shoulders descend with the outflow. Inhale, belly rises. Pause. Exhale, shoulders release. Repeat this cycle for 8 to 10 rounds. Notice the shift. The belly moves freely. The chest feels less hurried. The body roots deeper into the chair. This is diaphragmatic breathing, proven to reduce cortisol and restore balance to the nervous system. Over time, the simple act of placing hand to chest and hand to belly will itself become an anchor, reminding the body how to return to calm. These practices are powerful in this moment, but their true strength appears when they escape the exercise itself and enter your daily rhythm. Before you open an email, take 3 conscious breaths. When you sit in traffic or wait in line, sway gently with pendulum breathing. As you lie down at night, place hand to chest and hand to belly, and let your body remember anchor point breath. Calm does not require silence or perfect spaces. It grows through repetition, small signals that train the nervous system to trust safety again. Every pause becomes a thread of stability, weaving through your day until calm is no longer the exception, but the background of your life. Think back to the beginning, the spinning mind, the weight of anxious thoughts colliding. Now notice the shift, the breath steadier, the chest freer, the ground beneath you more supportive. Calm was never distant. It was always here, waiting to be practiced. And if you want to go deeper, there is one more step. Anxiety does not appear the same for everyone. Each body follows its own pattern. Understanding yours is the key to choosing the practices that work best for you. That is why I created a scientific quiz. In 3 minutes, you will discover your personal anxiety profile and the next step tailored to your body. Click the link in the pinned comment or in the description and take the quiz now.